Sign out of Apple ID on iPhones, iPads, or Macs. Learn how to fix it. Otherwise, it could be privacy issues for my Apple Pay card, iCloud messages, photos, etc. Today's tutorial is for you if you can't sign out of Apple ID on iPhones, iPads, or Mac. What happens when I sign out of my Apple ID? Undoubtedly, an Apple ID preserves access to core iOS services, including iCloud, iTunes, App Store, Apple Music, FaceTime, and other settings. Unfortunately, you lose access to these core services when you sign out of your Apple ID. How do I know if I'm having trouble signing out issues on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac? You can face different scenarios with the signing out issues on your iPhone, iPad, iPod, or Mac. The above issues prove that there is something wrong with your Apple ID to get signed out. Can't sign out of an Apple ID. What are the reasons? Some technical factors are behind signing out issues of an Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, iPod, or Mac. However, I have sorted out a couple of reasons to restrict signing out. Screen time restrictions. If the message sign out is not possible due to restrictions appears, the problem is with your device's screen time restrictions and limits. It means that you have turned on your device's screen time and are locked with a password that restricts signing out your Apple ID. Device restoration from backup. You can find your Apple X signing out option grayed out due to your device's restoration from backup. Signing out the old Apple ID on the restored iPhone or iPad is troublesome. Missing signing ID password. Signing out Apple ID requires signing in first. You cannot do the job if you forget your Apple ID or password. Failed internet connection. Sometimes, weakened or unavailable cellular or Wi-Fi connection can interrupt signing out of an Apple ID. The spinning symbol shows the signing out is working, but it never stops and goes in vain. Fixing can't sign out of Apple ID on iPhone, iPad, iPod, or Mac with proven methods. If you can diagnose the cause of your signing out error with the Apple ID, selecting the proper method to solve the issue would be easier. Explore how to sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Method 1, turn off screen time and try again later. You must turn off screen time settings and try again to sign out. Go to the settings of your iPhone or iPad.